403B, 401k, 429, Roth IRA, which one do you choose? In this video, we'll figure out how to use our retirement plan to our advantage and what stocks to choose from. For this video, we'll use artificial intelligence, yes, AI. We'll use artificial intelligence to figure out how to pick stocks or adjust stocks based on inflation or market fluctuations. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Make sure you get all the new information on the artificial intelligence and chat GPT and all that. All right, stay tuned. All right, so here we are. We're going to use an AI tool. The one I'm thinking of because I bank with them is Santander Pathfinder. Here we are. So robo investing with Santander Pathfinder. We're going to click on this. Santander Pathfinder is AI backed platform where its benefits have automated investing, lower fees than traditional methods. Here, it's a balanced portfolio, exchange traded funds that indicates any kind of track that you want to take. It adjusts automatically your portfolio to the market performance and a way to diversify your strategy. So again, I'm not sponsored by Santander, but it's a great tool to utilize. There's some stipulations to their tool. So low balance, minimum balance, $2,000, or they charge a 0.5% advisory fee, which is about $10. So it's ridiculously low. It's a diversified portfolio. It gives you diversification through AI technology. It automatically rebalances your portfolio based on market performance. And we need the extra touch of human interaction. They do offer human support. At additional cost for that, but totally hands-off. Great tool to utilize. I'll leave the link in the description below. Here's frequently asked questions about Santander's Pathfinder AI technology. So we'll move on. We'll actually balance our portfolio ourselves. So see you next clip. So here we are. We're at this opening site. You're going to put your age. And then you want short-term, long-term. So into me in the next 10 years, I want to retire, and the amount I make. And the savings, which I plan to save 0 to 10%. I'm actually at 8%, thinking up to the 9%. And I want to start investing with $2,000 that we require. Compared to your peers, do you think you are more or less likely to try an investment? So I'm willing to take a risk. So I'm going to click on that. Imagine choice between stable job and limited opportunity to pay increase. So they're saying that if you and have an entrepreneurial spirit where you're willing to take the risk and have a big payday with a less secure job, then you would choose one. I'd probably take the less secure job with big payday in the future. So next, the value of investment can decline in market values. How much could your portfolio fall before you felt uncomfortable? Say 10%. Depends on you. I'm not a financial advisor. You can base your risk tolerance on that. I'm going to say 10% and we'll be okay. Investment decisions often came down to a trade-off between potential gains and risk of loss. Do you tend to focus on potential upside or downside? Upside more than downside, so we're going to click on that. So basically they're calculating your risk tolerance. And then the recommended aggressive. That's what I'm going with. So this is what my portfolio will look like, and then they'll give you a breakdown what asset allocation it'll look like. So U.S. equities, about 37% allocated there. International equities, emerging market equities, short-term treasury. And then you can click next to get an advisor. So great tool, artificial intelligence making you invest in your future. So based on that, I'll leave the link in the description below. That way you guys can check that out. Listen, you're watching these videos because you believe financial independence is obtainable. I appreciate every single one of you watching these videos. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next video.